this one is quite tricky, be careful. Timothy wrote the numbers 3, 7, 19, 29, 43 on the board. He will erase one of them, right, and then calculate the average. And the average was a whole number. Which of the above number did he actually erase? Actually, this one very simple. You try. He wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. He erased one of the numbers, and then calculated the average to be a whole number. So let's say, for example, right, I erased 3. Okay? If I erase 3, right, and then I calculated the average of the remaining number. If I erase 3, right, it will be 7 plus 19 plus 29 plus 43. How many numbers is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. If this is a whole number, then that means, right, he erased 3. Let's try to calculate. 7 plus 19 plus 29 plus 43 will give me 98. And then I divide by 4. It gives me 24.5. Okay, therefore 3 is not one of the number that he erased. Let's try. He erased 7. So you're left with 3 plus 19 plus 29 plus 43 divided by again 4. So let's calculate 3 plus 19 plus 29 plus 43, and that will give me 94 divided by 4, and that will give me 23.5. So again, 7 is not one of the number that he erased. Now let's erase 19. So it's 3 plus 7 plus 29 plus 43. Okay, in this case we erase 19 divided by 4 again. So 3 plus 7 plus 29 plus 43, and that will be 82. 82 divided by 4. Confirm cannot 100%. Divide by 4, right, is 20.5. Okay, so again 19 is not the answer. Let's try to erase 29. So 3 plus 7 plus 19 plus 43 divided by 4. So 3 plus 7 plus 19 plus 43 equals 72. 72 divided by 4, 10. 18. Therefore, he erased 29. Answer, answer 29. Okay? Because there's only 5 numbers. There's only 5 numbers, right? You can use this method, it's very fast. See, actually I did it within like less than 1.5 minutes. Alright, done.